SPECTRE is a deadly hybrid. A customized Hercules transport plane that uses its phenomenal heavy lift capability to carry firepower instead of cargo. This is the plane that destroyed 10,000 trucks in the Vietnam War, and gunships with names like Grim Reaper and Exterminator still strike fear into the Taliban today.
I know firsthand that the enemy are petrified of the AC-130 aircraft. If they're being attacked by an AC-130, they don't walk away.
The enemy knows that we can track them, we can find them, and we can kill them. You don't want to be on the receiving end of what we deliver.
Direct.
Two of the most powerful guns ever fitted on a plane make the AC-130 the fiercest gunship in the air today. Fully loaded with over 350 high-explosive rounds, SPECTRE brings astonishing firepower to the fight. Up front, the 40mm Bofors cannon, firing 100 rounds a minute. Loaded with armor-piercing rounds, it's a potent tank buster. Loaded with high-explosive shells, it's ideal for close air support.
It can put so much firepower so accurately on the battlefield that it's really just unmatched in the damage it can cause.
For ultimate firepower, the AC-130 carries the biggest gun ever mounted on an aircraft. The massive 105mm howitzer. Its 33-pound shells punch clean through armor and reinforce concrete from up to 2 miles away. As it circles its target, firing from above, the enemy has nowhere to hide.
We have a saying, you can run, but you just die tired, and that is a true statement.
I don't even understand how the physics work, that you're putting a 105mm cannon out the side of a plane and it doesn't tilt the plane away, but they've managed to make it work, and it's just awesome. It's a flying tank.
SPECTRE's side-mounted stabilized platform assembly contains a high-resolution low-light video camera and laser rangefinder, powerful enough to pick out individuals 5 miles away. A gimbal-mounted thermal imaging camera gives it night vision capabilities. Together, these systems provide rock-steady live video, following the opposition's every step as SPECTRE comes in for the kill.
You're clear to engage 105 airboat.
Target locked, AC-130's computer calculates the firing solution. Compensating for distance and airspeed, SPECTRE's gun control automatically adjusts the weapon for the perfect shot.
Stand by to come back on the trigger. Clear. Get ready. Going on 105.
It's like a waterfall of munitions being just dumped on the target area.
A fast jet only has seconds over the target to make its attack. But the AC-130 utterly terrifies the enemy because it can take its time to take you apart.
Bar 5 and 6. 5 6 on. Confirm.
It can remain on target, building situational awareness and delivering hellish destruction for several hours with its load of hundreds of rounds of high-explosive ammo. Working in tandem with special forces or hunting independently, the SPECTRE is a lethal angel of death.
There are some missions that we can talk about, and there are other missions we just weren't there.
The AC-130 has fought with distinction in every U.S. war from Vietnam to Afghanistan. With its 40mm and 105mm guns, this versatile aircraft is deadly against any target. Getting an artillery piece airborne takes incredible design ingenuity. There is nothing like the AC-130. It's in a class of its own. The SPECTRE is fear, and that's why it's #1.